Assalamualaikum and hello. Today is 28 March 2026. We just came from visiting my cousin's house for Hari Raya Aidilfitri. And now we are at Taman Kucing Madani Flat Sri Sabah to do a small act of kindness for the stray cats here. In many low-cost housing areas like Flat Sri Sabah, stray cats face tough life. They struggle to find enough food and clean water. Taman Kucing Madani was created by the local community with support from DBKL to address this humanly. They use a human approach: trap, neuter, and release or adopt. But maintaining this facility costs money for food, medicine, and care. That's where community support matters. Meet Abang Ali. He is the keeper of the place. He will make sure that the place is in appropriate conditions. This is a family effort. My wife, Umi, helped choose the food and portion it. My son, Emir, 13 years old, is our main helper today. And I'm Muhammad Isham bin Bidin, project leader and cameraman for today. Emir is smiling while feeding the cats. He said he wants to help the cats because they don't have anyone to feed them during Raya. And for Umi, she said it's important to teach our children that compassion doesn't stop with humans. Even on a Raya holiday, we can give back. We brought several packs of wet food. It provides hydration and dietary variety, which supplements the dry food the cats usually get. Look at that. They really appreciate the meal. Seeing the cats enjoy the food is the immediate impact we were hoping for. This is especially meaningful on 28 March 2026, which is during Shawwal, when the spirit of giving is at its peak. This moment was the most meaningful for me. My son showed patience, showed empathy to the cats. Part of being a good guest and a good steward of the environment is leaving the place as you found it. After the cats finished eating, we made sure to collect all our bowls and dispose of any trash properly. We want to support this community facility, not create more work for its caretakers. So, what did we achieve today on 28 March 2026? The immediate impact. We provided a nutritious meal to about 80 cats. Their well-being for today is improved. My son, Emir Al-Rayyan, experienced empathy in actions. That is an impact on our family that will last beyond Raya. The long-term sustainable outcomes. Social. We are strengthening a culture of compassion. Emir is learning that caring for the community includes animals, even on a holiday. Economic. We use a small household budget effectively. If more families do this, it eases the financial load on local caregivers. Environmental. By supporting a humane stray management facility, we endorse population control, which prevents overpopulations and keeps the local ecosystem balanced. This activity proved that you don't need a huge budget or a large team to make a difference. A family, a Raya afternoon, and a few packs of food can support sustainable development right in your own community. We came here at 2 p.m. after visiting my cousin for Raya, and it was the perfect way to extend the blessings of Shawwal. We plan to come back again because sustainability isn't a one-time act. It is a commitment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye cats, see you next time, and Selamat Hari Raya.